Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mechanical Engineering Management, and this is the engineering drawing playlist. Today we are going to discuss about AutoCAD. Especially these are the two topics, applications and advantages of AutoCAD. So let's see, first of all, the question can be asked in your examination. What is AutoCAD? The another question that we are going to cover today, that is, what are the various applications of AutoCAD? And the third question, what are the various advantages of AutoCAD? So in short, we are going to cover these three important questions in this video. So basically we are going to cover in this video the three topics. What is the AutoCAD? That means the concept of AutoCAD, applications of AutoCAD and advantages of AutoCAD. Let's see the three questions that we have already discussed, that is in the blue color. The same question can be asked in the different way, like what is CAD? The application of AutoCAD can be asked like that, state the importance of AutoCAD in engineering field. Advantages of AutoCAD can be asked in the different way, like benefits of AutoCAD over conventional drawing techniques. Or it can be asked like that, write the advantages of CAD. So let's see these three different questions one by one. So first one, what is AutoCAD? So AutoCAD is basically the most versatile computer software which can be used to design multiple 2D and 3D objects. You know that 2D, that means two-dimensional object, and 3D, that means three-dimensional object. So basically AutoCAD is used to design multiple 2D and 3D objects. According to Wikipedia, AutoCAD is a computer-aided design and drafting software. So in short, we can say this AutoCAD software is actually a design and drafting software. It finds its application in almost every aspect of engineering. It is used by engineers, designers, architects, and other professionals to make plans and design on the computer. Because of already we have discussed that AutoCAD is used to design and drafting software. So these are the different persons or the community are using AutoCAD. AutoCAD is used especially by mechanical or civil engineer, or you can say mechanical and civil engineer. It also saves a lot of time and also money while giving us a realistic representation of how the final product will look like. So basically AutoCAD is very beneficial to save the time and money. Now let's see the second question. What are the various applications of AutoCAD? Major application areas and uses of AutoCAD are as follows. So we are going to write in the point wise the different applications of AutoCAD. So basically it is used in architecture field. So if you want to architect any one building, it can be the public building, it can be the college building. So at that time you can use the AutoCAD software. Civil engineers. So you know that if there is a bridge construction or any building construction, so at that time the civil engineer can use this AutoCAD software also. Interior design. So here you can see inside of the building, that is called as interior design. So you can design the interior of your buildings or your office by using AutoCAD. Automobile industry. So here you can see the AutoCAD can be used for the automobile industry. Aerospace industry. So same AutoCAD can be used in the aerospace industry also. Next, mechanical engineering. So if you want to design and draw any one mechanical component or the mechanical device, So here you can see this is the assembly of the machine device, and these are the different views. So by the help of this AutoCAD software, you can view the same machine component with the different angle also. And last one, fashion designing. So the people are using AutoCAD software for the fashion designing also nowadays. Now the last question, what are the various advantages of AutoCAD? So let's write first of all the different advantages with the point wise. So first, accurate and reduces errors. Second, save time and money. Next, easier data transfer. Next, controllable in nature. We'll discuss later all the topics briefly also. First of all, write down the point wise advantages. Database for the manufacturing, easier import as well as export of files, layering features, calculation, and at last virtualization. So now let's see all the different advantages briefly one by one, so that you can understand as well as remember all the advantages. So let's see the first one, accurate and reduces errors. So very easy to understand. AutoCAD results in error reduction because of that is actually doing by the software. So there is no any manual error involved and fewer chances of mistake. Furthermore, the designs which are made digitally always have room for the enhancement and improvement also. Save time and money. So again, it is very simple to understand. With a specific and user-friendly interface and workflow, AutoCAD works speedily, which saves the time of the designer. Next, third one, easier data transfer. So using AutoCAD software in architect designing has made it easier to share your files with the multiple people simultaneously. So simply you can transfer the data to the friends or for the community also. So very easy to transfer the data by using the AutoCAD software. Next, controllable in nature. AutoCAD supports the scanning feature for the data. This technique helps in measuring the quantity of the materials used. It also helps in calculating the exact cost of the products. So controllable in nature, that means this AutoCAD helps in measuring the quantity of the materials used. So whatever it may be your design that is prepared by AutoCAD, automatically at the end you can get the quantity of the materials as well as the cost of the products. Next, database for the manufacturing. AutoCAD allows in creating manufacturing data such as materials required for the components, dimensions and shape of the models and component drawings also. So these are the different parameters. You can say it is a database for the manufacturing. Next, this helps in creating and managing a wide database, which is an important part of the production process. Because of these all are the different features of the any one machine components that is called as database, which is used for the production process. Next, easier import export of files. So you can understand from the name, AutoCAD allows the user to import models from the inventor. So you can import any one models with the same features from your friends and community. Similarly, AutoCAD also supports various other tools and features that boost the productivity of the program. So you can import with the same feature from the community, or vice versa, you can export with the same features to the other community also. Next, layering feature. This feature allows the user to hide or show specific details of the complex group of the drawings for clear understanding. Say for example, if you have drawn the different views by using the orthographic projection, and in the same views if you mention the dimensions, then it will be a little bit complicated. But if you want to hide the dimension, then you can do by using the layering features in the AutoCAD. So only you can see at last the views without the dimension. And if you want to see the views with the dimension, then again you can use the layering features. Next, calculation. The user can calculate mass, area, volume, center of gravity in no time. So try to understand, this is a very important parameter. If you have any one shape and if you want to calculate the area of that particular shape, then definitely you can measure the area of that shape by using the AutoCAD. The shape can be any one. Similarly, you can calculate mass, volume, center of gravity, etc. This program has an auto dimensioning feature that helps in designing easy and accurate sketches. Next, last one, virtualization. On large scale production like bridge or building design, virtualization is used. Virtualization is ability to view and walk through the project in a 3D view before start manufacturing process. So here again you can see the name itself indicate before executing the real building you can create the 3D view of that building and you can view and walk through the project in a 3D view. So that is actually the realization of that particular building or any bridge by using the virtualization effect. Thanks my dear friends for watching this video.